What's good at YouTube? It's your boy to the run of another trading video. And today I'm gonna teach you guys some swing trading techniques. As you guys know, I am a swing trader, so this is going to be interesting and easy. But what I basically do is I go to the higher time frame. As you can see, this is the monthly time frame. I know a lot of people do not is not familiar with the monthly time frame, but as you can see, we've been in a bearish market since last year, December 1st, 2021. So we just been just a massive push down on NAS 100. And if you guys know about NAS 100s, NAS 100 is never selling. It's always going to be a pullback. All right. So what I've seen is, first off, I had this month low right here, and as you can see, this is my major resistance area. That's on the higher time frame. I'm sorry, major support area. I get them mixed up a little bit because they basically the same thing, support and resistance. So what I would do is get my monthly low as AKA my monthly support, and I'll mark it up, and I will find my monthly resistance. And like I told you guys, I use the close. I don't use the wicks. I use the close, and I'm gonna tell you guys why. The reason why I use the clothes is because the clothes are more stronger and more powerful than the wicks are. So like I always do, I like to use rectangles, that's something I like to do. So what I would do is mark up here, and as you can see, once price hit this area right here, look what it did. Price failed to go lower because if price was to break this low, the next stop will be this area. Why would the next stop be this area? Because we have so much imbalance right here. Look at this massive push up with nothing retracing that. So if price was to break this low right here, I can see price come and eat that up. But price is not ready. The reason why price is not ready because this is a major level. As you can see, this massive exchange right here, up, down, up move, and price had to come back and grab these orders. So what I would do is I go to the weekly time frame, and as you can see, what I see right here is a break up, form new highs right here. So long-term take profit, I would take these swing highs right here. So a break up and then come back down to grab orders to take these orders out. And as you can see, it took liquidity out right here because whoever had a stop loss right here, look what it did. It came and stopped them out. And now look, the whales are in. So the whales finna take price right here because why? This is the major this is the major resistance area where price will eventually go long term wise. All right, so how I would go about this. All right, so as you can see from the previous video, I was in a sell. I caught this sell down. I said price is gonna hit this area, and I want price to buy up once it hit this area. But right now I'm waiting. The reason why I'm waiting to take this trade because after a massive gain, after a big drop, price is going to slow down a little bit. So what I would do to swing this confirmation is this weekly candle has to close blue. It has to bullish engulf, as in like this blue candle has to just outdo this last candle. And like, well, I'm not even worried about nothing over here. I need this blue candle to outdo the last candle for me to consider this buy as valid. So what I would do is, like I said, and I'm not even missing this trade. Just because price is buying right now, I'm still not missing it. Confirmation is waiting on the weekly close. If this weekly close blue and bullish engulf, that means I would take my swing entry on the buy. And like I said, it's real easy, real simple. I just wait. It's all a waiting game. Once you on the higher time frame, the higher time frame is going to take a little bit longer than the lower time frame. All right, so I don't need anything marked up on this weekly time frame. All I'm doing is patiently waiting. As you can see, price shot up, came back and grabbed orders, aka liquidity. Let me show you guys. It shot up hard, came back and grabbed orders, aka liquidity. As you can see, came and swept everybody out. I call this a liquidity sweep right here. This is called a liquidity sweep. I'm gonna show you guys right here, liquidity sweep. It came out, took all the orders, and I priced it about massively. All right, so now we'll go to the daily time frame, and as you can see, look how prices just came and took these lows out, and now look, it's buying. And as you can see, like I said, the reason why I would wait because look what price is doing. Like all of this is no movement, and like I said, it was giving me confirmation that this want to buy because we already got a massive daily counter right here that closed blue. So now I need to see if price want to come here. So this is what I would do. I would give me a daily zone right here. Why? Because once price break that area, I want price to break and retest this area right here. So what I'm looking for, I want price to hit this area hard. Of course, it's going to come back down because it is a resistance area. It has to. So I want this, either this to happen. This come back in to get me, and we're going to take it here. Or I want a massive shoot up and come back down to get me. Eventually, it's going to, one of those things is going to happen. If that do not happen, price will come back down and break these lows, and it's going to come back and recess. It's going to break this area and come back and recess, and then we're going to shoot down hard. But I do not see that just because I went to the higher time frame, and I know that we got a lot of left price where NAS have to fill. But swing trading is very, very easy. It's a pacing game. You have to wait on the trade. And as you can see, look, this is my daily zone that I marked up. I'm back on a weekly time frame. I'm back on a weekly time frame, and look, this is a massive area right here where price is scans from buying and selling. So price has to break this area for me to get in buy. So what I would do, like I said, I would wait on a weekly close, or I would wait on the price to break this area and come back and recess, and I'll get in right here for the massive gain. And swing traders, we look to catch over 200 plus pips. You know what I'm saying? Just wait on price and 200 plus pips. As you can see, this is around 11 area, and this right here gonna be around 13 area. You know what I'm saying? So we look for the massive gains, but just pacing game, guys. And like I said, most of my videos be real short and sweet and simple because there's really nothing else major that I have to say about swing trading, well, anything about my trading, because I keep it simple. You know what I'm saying? Really not look. I have no indicators on, just strictly price action and strictly candlesticks and strictly just waiting, liquidity grabs, and balance, etc., etc. But like I said, I go to the monthly time frame. As you can see, this month low, it failed to break this low. And as you can see, the month just started. It is October the 3rd. And as you can see, price is shooting up massively right now. So I just need a confirmation on the weekly time frame and confirmation on the daily time frame that price want to break this area right here, because this is a massive push down. And as you can see, consolidation is going on. Why? Because price has made a massive move down. If price make a massive move up and a massive move down, be patient on the next trade, guys. So, like I said, it's real short and simple and sweet. Swing traders is just we look for we can enter small and just get big profit. You know, so we can enter big and get massive profit. Is this how much you got in your account? But I'm trading live and I'm trading funded. So on my funded account, $100,000 funded account, I will wait into me a 6 lot, 2 6 lots, and just wait, get a good sniper entry. And on my live account, I probably enter 0.3, 0.5, you know what I'm saying, just hold. But it's all about what type of account size you got. But make sure you guys got enough leverage, because you have to hold that drawdown. You're going to see drawdown on swing trade because price take a longer time because it's coming off the higher time frame. But yeah, like I said, NASDAQ 100 is in a massive downtrend, and I see price has to go up, but it's all a pacing game. As you can see, massive push down. So I want price to come back to this area long-term wise, but I'm waiting on the weekly close, and I'm waiting on some daily confirmation. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and we're going to get into some more videos, guys. Peace and love.